everyone. If you've not been part of the group before, welcome. So tonight we'll be doing a video on top stitching. I used to hate top stitching. I can't use magnetic seam guide and I'm pretty much hopeless at doing anything in a straight line. And then one day my granny, hi granny if you're there, she gave me a load of random feet in a set for my birthday, and it had one of these in it. Now this is a open toe foot. As you can see, it's got quite a large gap between the toes compared to a standard sewing machine foot. And since this went on my sewing machine, I very rarely, if ever, take it off again. I use it for everything. So I'm going to pop that on the machine. Let's just pop that in there. There we go. So I've overlocked some bits of fabric together, just as a scrap run really. I've got my machine sewing length set to 3, and I'm just going to do a standard straight stitch. So the open toe foot is amazing. Set my needle back to the central setting, pop my foot down, and as you can see, I line the seam up exactly on the line of the fabric, although I have lined the wrong seam up there, so let me do that again. That was a mistake. I meant to do the top stitching in orange on the black side. Hang on a minute, I've got myself in a muddle here. Oh, it's nerve-wracking doing these videos. There we go, right. So, pop the foot down directly against that seam there, and then pop your needle down. Now, all I do is literally run the fabric against that edge, and you don't really have to hold it much, just gently. And we'll just cut that off. Right, there we go. As you can see, you get a perfectly spaced, perfectly straight line of top stitching. This works fantastically. So the other great thing about an open toe foot is I've got 2 little grooves on the edge of mine, and what I can do is if I want a wider line of top stitching, I just pop my fabric in again, and I'm just going to move my needle across to the right hand side so it's further away from my seam. Let's put the needle back down, and again you literally just run your seam here against the edge of this foot. Sorry, it's quite hard to see over the phone. There we go. And then foot up. Let's take that piece of sewing out. There you go. So you can see that's further from the edge, but still nice and straight, even width. There we go. The other thing that I love this foot for is zips. I hate zips, they're a pain. I'm not actually going to sew this zip in because I have no garment to make at the minute, and I don't want to start sewing it to random bits of fabric. But what I would do is just pop my zip so the zipper teeth are again against the outside edge here of my open toe foot, and then I just pop my needle down, sew as normal, and that's it. Job done. Easy zips, which are a win for me because I hate them. Now, I don't have any twin needles at the minute, and I don't have a garment that needs its neckband top stitching, unfortunately. So next time I will do a tutorial on that once I've made a t-shirt to sew a neckband onto. So recap. I hope you enjoyed that. So just to recap, that's an open toe sewing foot. Literally makes all your top stitching issues go away like they were never there. And hopefully I'll see you all soon for a tutorial on neckbands and twin needles. Thank you, bye!